You can call yourself a Japanese pro if you watch this video and understand what I am saying. Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 10. By far, we have covered almost all the basic concepts of Japanese grammar, including conjunctions, interjections, and interrogative words. We are heading towards the end of our course with some more advanced grammar rules. Today, we will learn about nouns with unique abilities, hobbies, and questions about some uncertain places. I have made everything more straightforward for you. Let's get into lesson number 10. 1. How to express something you think you can do. Let's learn about the formation. N1 wa, N2 ga dekimasu. It means N1 can do N2. N1 wa V koto ga dekimasu. N can do that. Let's look at the first rule. N1 wa N2 ga dekimasu. N1 can do N2. N1 represents the subject, N2 represents the noun that expresses ability, such as driving, skiing, baseball, foreign language, and piano. Here are some examples. She can speak Italian.
彼女はイタリア語ができます。彼女はイタリア語ができます。
I cannot drive.
私は運転ができません。私は運転ができません。
The particle ga connects the noun with the verb. For example, my elder brother can play soccer.
兄はサッカーができます。兄はサッカーができます。ロバートさんは上手に料理ができます。ロバートさんは上手に料理ができます。
N wa dictionary form koto ga dekimasu. N can do. In this pattern, V dictionary form plus koto is used. Koto means thing and matter. V dictionary form plus koto is to make the verb a noun. For example, to swim, swimming.
泳ぐ、泳ぐこと。泳ぐ、泳ぐこと。
To write a diary, writing a diary.
日記を書く、日記を書くこと。日記を書く、日記を書くこと。
I can speak English.
私は英語を話すことができます。私は英語を話すことができます。
You can study Japanese with this software.
このソフトで日本語を勉強することができます。このソフトで日本語を勉強することができます。
In this sentence pattern, the dictionary form plus koto is used. The particle ga is used in the same manner as the earlier sample.
日本語で手紙を書くことができます。日本語で手紙を書くことができます。
2. How do you talk about hobbies in Japanese? 趣味はen desu? This is a sentence pattern used to talk about hobbies, and you would use it when asking people about their hobbies in Japanese. See some examples. What are your interests?
趣味は何ですか？趣味は何ですか？
I am interested in sports.
私の趣味はスポーツです。私の趣味はスポーツです。
My hobby is playing tennis.
私の趣味はテニスをすることです。 私の趣味はテニスをすることです。私の趣味はサッカーを見ることです。私の趣味はサッカーを見ることです。
3. Usage of the word where in Japanese. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use when in sentences. Today, we are about to learn the usage of where. Where are you going? Where is the train station? Where can I find the best tacos in town? These are all essential questions you could be asked by the end of this lesson. In Japanese, we say doko to indicate where. Let's try to learn through examples. Where is the entrance?
入り口はどこですか？入り口はどこですか？
Where is Japan?
日本はどこですか？日本はどこですか？
Where are you going?
どこへ行きますか？どこへ行きますか？
4. Usage of somewhere and anywhere. How to ask questions about any uncertain place or location in Japanese. How to use somewhere in the sentence. Let's learn about it. Dokoka means somewhere. Did you go somewhere/anywhere?
どこかへ行きましたか？どこかへ行きましたか？
Let's try to do more sentences. Do you know where the post office is?
郵便局はどこか知っていますか？郵便局はどこか知っていますか？
Why don't we go somewhere?
どこかへ行きませんか？どこかへ行きませんか？
5. How to connect two nouns in a sentence. To connect two nouns in Japanese, we use to between two nouns. You and I. N1, to, N2. See examples.
母と娘、
Mother and daughter.
犬と猫、
Dog and cat. The particle to cannot be used to connect phrases or clauses in the sentence.
友達と映画を見ました。友達と映画を見ました。私と友達がいます。私と友達がいます。先生と日本語で話します。先生と日本語で話します。
6. Usage of something like to illustrate two similar things. You will follow this rule if you are saying a sentence and have to express two similar things in it. Suppose you have to say that I would like to have fries and pizza. How would you say such sentences in Japanese? Let's learn the rules. We will use N1 ya, N2 nado. It means something like N1 or N2, etc. For example, I eat something like bread and fish, etc. for breakfast. We are using this rule to list objects. This structure also contains the meaning that there are other similar things, etc. Ya is used to separate similar nouns. Nado in Japanese means and so on, etc. Make these sentences in your notebook. I shop at department stores or supermarkets.
デパートやスーパーで買い物をします。デパートやスーパーで買い物をします。
7. Usage of either or in Japanese. How to use either and or in Japanese, which means either this or that. It simply illustrates that we have two choices in the sentence. For example, I eat bread or eggs every morning. N1 ka, N2. N1 or N2. Meaning, the particle ka is used to say or. Make these sentences in your notebook. I will go to Tokyo next Thursday or Friday.
来週の木曜日か金曜日に東京に行きます。来週の木曜日か金曜日に東京に行きます。
I would like to drink tea or coffee.
お茶かコーヒーが飲みたいです。お茶かコーヒーが飲みたいです。
8. Express the direct subject of a sentence. So, it is the last grammar rule for today's lecture. O tells us what the direct object of a sentence is. In other words, it marks the thing affected by the verb. N1, O, verb. O is used to indicate object, noun. Have a look at examples. I read a newspaper.
新聞を読みます。新聞を読みます。
I watch TV.
テレビを見ます。テレビを見ます。寿司を食べました。寿司を食べました。
Particle O marks the grammatical object of a sentence, which is the thing that is acted upon or affected by the verb. In other words, it's what gets verbed in a sentence. Particle O has a lot of similarities with objects in English, but it also has some unique characteristics that make it a little different and challenging for learners. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you have it all clear in your mind. Still, if you have confusion or queries, just write them down in the comment section. With this, I must say that don't forget to watch previous lessons, submit your homework promptly. See you in the next lesson.